What is up, guys? Mike Valle here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about how I made over $2,000 in my first month of selling on Amazon FBA. So let's jump to it. All right, guys. Man, it's been so long. I already forgot how to do one of these things. It's like I was on my YouTube account, right? And I saw the last time I posted was about 3 years ago. That's when I was talking about affiliate marketing and all that. And I still love affiliate marketing and everything, but I'm in a point in my life where I needed to make a big return fast, and affiliate marketing is a slow game. Affiliate marketing requires a lot of patience, a lot of work up front, and there's a lot of, money that you can make with affiliate marketing. I still love that model and I'm still going to jump into it. But I kind of was looking into making, you know, money a little bit quicker, but given that doesn't mean Amazon FBA is much easier than affiliate marketing. It's different things for both things, right? So with Amazon FBA, you need a lot of capital up front. Like you can't jump into Amazon FBA with $1,000 or like 500 bucks or whatnot. You need to have some capital to jump into it. So I was willing to take a big risk, to like start making some money quicker, raise my income, make more. Cost of living. I live out here in California, and things are just getting rough out here. It's 2023. Last time I was on YouTube was 3 years ago, 2020. 2020 was rough. Right after COVID, all that. I kind of fell off on there as well. Stopped posting. Started focusing on my 9 to 5 job. Um, Went through a big ass journey on that as well. Another story for another day. Um, but yeah, long story short, um, I decided to jump back into Amazon FBA. It required, uh, let's say, for my last 30 days, I've made over $2,000, right? From for those $2,000, it required about 2 grand just to get up and running. Um, but that isn't everything. Like if you just have $2,000, you still need to have, money to restock. You still need to have money to fall back on. What if the product doesn't go through the way you want it to go through? There's advertising costs that you also have to, take into consideration. So you need a little bit of cushion. So I would say ideal would be to have, around 10 grand saved up. Now, it's not impossible to go in with less money, right? So I'll tell you how I went into it. I took a big risk. I was like, it's 2023. Now it's 2024. Now we're on 2024. Oh my God. Have I been saying 2023 in this video? It's a new year, guys. The year just started, okay? Don't judge me. But I mean, I jumped into Amazon FBA in 2023, okay? Um, but yeah, so point is back in like 2017 and then a lot into like during COVID, I invested a lot into crypto. I bought some Bitcoin, bought some Ethereum, bought a lot of other little altcoins and, different cryptocurrencies. Currently, all those cryptos are hurting. But I got into Bitcoin pretty early that I invested around 3 grand, came out with at least 10 grand in gains. So not too bad. I could have pulled out back in like 2017, or I could have pulled out as well in like I think 2019 when it blew up and it hit like 20 grand. Well, my investment had hit 20 grand. Bitcoin was on like I don't remember. Should I go on Coinbase? Let me see. Let's look at it. Let's take a step back and refresh on that Bitcoin story, right? So Bitcoin currently is valued at 46,000. 2021. No, I don't think I was gonna say 2021. Mm, yeah. Well, 2021 it hit like 67, 64. Okay, so yeah, 2021 it had 64,000. Right now it's at 46. Like that whole 20 grand is wait. Damn. Have I not been keeping up? Bitcoin's been blowing up. I think I actually sold my Bitcoin to get into this Amazon stuff. At like the end of December. No, not this. I've been selling since December. Um, when did I sell? Let me check. Show you guys. So I sold my Bitcoin when it was valued at 33,000, and what I sold was 3 grand. Okay, so that's the money I used to get into Amazon FBA. I used 3 grand, all profit. But damn, okay. I think I took a L on that pullout. Um, shoot. Bitcoin was valued at 34. Right now it's valued at 46. Damn. I'm a little hurt. I haven't sold my Ethereum. Let me see. Oh, that's not. Damn. All right, guys. If y'all still have some Bitcoin, don't sell it. Don't sell your Bitcoin unless you're gonna go into Amazon FBA. Okay. I don't regret it. Yeah. I just went on Coinbase right now and I got a little shook. But point is, you got to take risks. Okay. At the end of the day, whatever my Bitcoin would have been valued at right now, at that 20 grand difference, with my few $100, it wouldn't have been something crazy. Okay. Let's not do the math. No geniuses out there. Don't do the math. Don't tell me how much I lost, because we talking about Amazon FBA here and how much I'm going to gain. Okay. And how you can gain as well. So from that Bitcoin I sold, I pulled out 3K. From that 3K, I used around 1,500, so half of that money to invest into my first product. How do you find your first product? How do you jump into Amazon FBA? There's a website called Alibaba, where you can find so many different products. Um, and you can, from there you can like do some research and like see what you're interested in. But again, Amazon is not just that simple. I had experience selling on Amazon in 2017. I had taken a whole course. I had, you know, had some success selling at that point, and then my Amazon account got shut down within like the first 3 months, and I had hit 10K at that time frame. Now, I'm at 2K, which is not bad, but 10K to 2K is a big difference. But, slowly but surely, we are growing and we are going to blow up. Okay. I'm going to keep you guys updated with that because I got a strategy going where I'm 100% sure that as long as I keep putting in 100% effort, my product will grow. I can start investing into more products, and then my Amazon FBA account will continue to take off. But yeah, Alibaba.com is one way to go about it. There's a tool called Helium 10 that actually shows you like how much each product can generate you. So that's where you can see the potential. And I'll do other videos where I'll actually jump into my laptop and I'll go and do like little screen share tutorials and like show you the whole product research phase. But this was more of just me trying to jump in, say I'm back, let you guys know that I hit over 2K in my first month on Amazon FBA. You gotta subscribe. You gotta, stay in this journey with me because I'm gonna go hard. I'm gonna go so hard that you won't even know what hit you. Cause we got this. I'm taking off. 2024. I'm about to conquer it. Um, it's the year of setting goals. Well, it's not the year of setting goals, but it's that time of year when you start to set goals. Okay. And if I'm rambling a lot, my bad. It's just been that long. Like I need a little guide. I was just too excited. I wanted to just jump on, start recording, and just get this out of the way. Do it because I miss being on YouTube. I miss talking to you guys. I miss posting. I miss creating content. And like once I get that flow going again, it's game over. It's game over. Okay. But yeah, I think I've rambled on enough. I think you guys are done with me for today. Um, but yeah, I hit over 2K on Amazon, right? If you want to learn more, go ahead, send me a message on Instagram. I'm going to post all my socials in the description down below. Let's stay in touch, follow the journey, follow my Instagram. That's where I'm gonna be posting most of my content. YouTube, I'm gonna be dropping these videos. I'm gonna be doing YouTube Shorts once I get like a little like familiar with it and all that. Um, and yeah, I'm pretty much gonna be taking you guys on that journey with me in Amazon FBA, and then throughout the time, I'm gonna just grow that business, and then we'll see where it takes us on this entrepreneurial journey. Um, if you got any questions, again, hit my socials. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll be back soon. Take care.